98, number 18. The question is asking us to find the permutation of 8 things taken 3 at a time. And you know, it doesn't come right out and say that, it just gives you this P with the 8 and the 3, so maybe that was mysterious. I don't know if you knew that that meant permutation. And then this is a notation for combination of 8 things taken 3 at a time. So there are, you can look in that sheet that I hand out that tells you what lessons, you know, in case you needed to know which lesson this came from. You could just go here and you go, okay, number 18. So where am I? So if you wanted to, you can look in lesson 95, and you could read about these if you don't remember about them. But I have them memorized, and I just wrote the formulas down for them. So when you do a permutation, so N is, that's the N and that's the R. So I'm going to put an 8 in here. Well, here, I can do it up here, right? There's room up here. So put 8 factorial up here, and then I can go 8 minus N minus R. Well, that's N and that's R, so 8 minus 3, that's 5. So I'm going to put just 5 factorial right there. So factorial means you go 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This one's going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But I know that there's going to be a lot of cancellation, so I'm going to kind of skip some steps. I'm just going to write this as 8 times 7 times 6. I'm not going to write the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because down here I'm going to have another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're going to cancel out. So really it's just 8 times 7 times 6. And then my calculator says that 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. So that's equal to 336. So there's your answer for number 18 for the permutations. Okay, for the combinations, so N is 8, so it's going to be 8 factorial. And then down here, R is 3, so this will be 3 factorial. And then N minus R, that's 8 minus 3, that's going to be 5 again, like it was last time, 5 factorial. Okay, so up here, I should have left more room, but up here it's going to still be 8 times 7 times 6. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I don't want to write those because they're going to cancel with this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But I am going to still have 3 times 2 times 1 from this one. I don't want to write the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. So that's nice. Look, canceled out. So this gives me 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. I think that's it. Let me check it. Yep, it's right. Okay, so those, just use the formulas and the 2 answers. The permutation is that, and the combination is that.